Hello everyone. In this video, we will be talking about data analysis and will demonstrate the initial steps taken during data analytics. So, first of all, what is data analysis? Data analysis helps us to get insights and useful information from raw data to answer our questions as well as to predict a certain outcome. So, let's begin with an example. Let's say a person wants to sell his car, but he doesn't know how much his car's resale value is. He wants to figure out the best price at which he can sell his car to a customer. So, as a data scientist, how can we provide him the best price? So, maybe we have to look upon any previous data for the model of his car. We also have to know what features affect their prices. It could be the horsepower, manufacturer, safety, color, or comfort. To begin with, as data analysts, we should come up with such questions for our analysis using previous data. In the next video, with the help of Python, we will try to understand the data, how to import the data, the libraries essential for data analysis, and how to get basic insights from the data by using the functionalities of these libraries.